Hi there, my name is Colin Hininga. I'm the Global Product Sales Manager for Advantech Industrial Display Systems. Today here I would like to present the IDS-33 range. The IDS-33 range comes in several sizes, 10.14, 15-inch, which we're currently demonstrating here today, and 19-inch. This is a full IP65 rated display and has available in various touch technologies such as resistive or 10-point PCAP touch. Standard brightness is generally around about 500 nits depending on which resolution you're going for, but we'd also offer 1200 nits on the high bright models, which are much more suitable for outdoor applications such as kiosks in the outdoor environment. The touch can be adapted so we work with raindrops, snow, ice, etc. as well. For more information, please contact us through www.advantech.com. Thank you.